Today now we want to talk about I want to ask one question. If you go market, you go there say the customer is always right.
Now so
you go there say the customer is always right. Now we want to talk about the behavior of and character of customers for market. Customers now, not forget say the customer can be either the buyer or the seller. Because customer are customer. Yes, now if I'm a buyer, you are my customer. If I am a seller, you are my customer too. So is the customer always right, ladies and gentlemen? Make una let us know. Is the customer always right in the marketplace? Number one first, may we narrow this matter down to the buyers. As a seller, is the buyer always right as the customer? You won't be the seller. You go agree say
the customer come buy market for your hand, right? He dey right. In anyhow he do behave to you.
Know. Is the customer always right, ladies and gentlemen? And as a seller, if you don't get irritating behavior from a buyer, we're gonna make you disagree say the customer is not always right. Still let us know. Report them. Hello.
Yes, customer is always right.
Why you talk so? Explain, please.
Because you, as a seller, you have got to attend to the customer in any way or how he wants it.
So, however the customer present his case, however, regardless, you need to he or she is always right.
Yes.
Wow. You
are a buyer too, because you go to other people to buy from.
So the customer is always right, Abi?
Yes.
Okay, peace. Is the customer always right, I beg?
They don't have right. It depends how you present your business.
So is the customer always right, yes or no?
No.
Okay, defendant.
Because many of them will come and tell you that this is what they want. And when you tell them that it's not supposed to be like this, feel how we see. Many of them would like to write. So they don't have rights in my business.
So they are not always right?
Yes.
Okay. I like that. So as you say yes with authority.
Hello. Who there?
Hello,
yeah.
Ratata.
Sir?
The point where they be say customer is always right.
Okay, why you talk so?
Okay, the reason why I said, say there are some people that they carry their problem from the house. So customer will surface at their front. You ask you how much it is. Somebody will just rise with imagination. Because I saw this at last time I went to pick my brother. The woman asked a woman of her type, how much is banana? He said, you tell her, say, it's 300. The person say, 200. It is your duty to say it's 300, not to begin to cost them. Because you went to somewhere to buy. You get me?
Yeah.
So customer is always right. Just tell them straight how much you sell.
Okay.
It is not by quarreling.
Thank you.
Okay, I may read this message.
Yes, so this was a good morning. Ratata Information Minister say customers are not always right. Some of the customers are so arrogant, so pompous. Cool see from satellite.
Hello, the phone line.
Hello, who did there?
Yeah.
Good morning.
Morning, sir. General.
Customer another for right every time I know I am for you.
Hey, Chigabade Magana.
Customer, I know get them for right every time.
Okay, thank you.
Customer, I go misbehave.
Okay.
Hello,
thank you. Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, how are you?
Sir, why me I go from Ikodu?
Okay, let us go. Customers always right?
No.
Okay, why you talk say no?
Some of them are too proud, as in they feel that because they are customers that they have rights, so they are not always right. And some of them, sometimes they behave arrogant.
Okay, so as a result of that, they are not always right, Abi?
They are not always right. Yes.
Okay.
Customer is always right.
Why you talk so?
Why I talk so is because I don't see a place somebody come and buy a market and you price that person. Instead of to take a good manner and good word to answer, it will begin to abuse the But there's a way that we answer customer. Even if he tells the person, either she or he say the price is 300,000, the price 100,000.
Okay.
To the manner way take answer her or him, we make him to remain and come and buy that thing.
Okay.
If he could not buy it, he will be happy and go out.
Okay.
That is my reason. I said customer is always right.
Okay.
Depends we treat the matter and how we handle this issue.
Thank you. Somebody send me a message for you. He said customer is always right because one customer that one customer that you treat, one customer that you satisfy will always come back. But one that you act badly to will tell as many as possible how bad you are. So he said you are there to satisfy the customer. So as a business person, you should have the skill to handle different customers. Somebody say Ratata. He said my name is Niben. I hope I pronounce it all the way from Washington. He said good morning Ratata. Customer. He said some customers are not always right too. Some of them are mentally deranged and are problematic. The call lines they booze the boss. I've been a booze anyone. Ladies and gentlemen. What be this? Hello.
Hello. Good morning.
Morning to you, sir. How are you, sir?
Morning, Rata.
Yes, sir.
Yes, customers are always right.
Why you talk so?
Yes, I talk so because I'm a trader. I need that money in his pocket, our pocket.
Wow.
So whatever he does,
Yeah.
for me to gather that money, I will accommodate.
Wow.
That is my stand.
Okay. What do you sell, sir?
Hello?
Hello. What you dey deal on?
My name?
No, what you dey deal on? What you dey sell for market? You say you are a trader.
Oh, I'm a dealer in tools.
Okay, tools. So if the person calls self, the person get spiritual problem, can't talk anyhow. You go just calm down. You go see accommodate.
Hey, that money is what is my watchword.
You not care whether he spit for your face.
We do that will take my spirit out of that money.
Wow. So you
accommodate. Yes.
He said that will take your spirit out of that. Okay, you like money, I swear.
Talk whatever, my dear.
Wow.
I will accommodate you. I will take you in until I get that money.
That money. So all you hope is say get the money and walk away, no problem.
That's all.
This guy, you like money like we show. How have you been in business?
I've been there. I'm a long time dealer.
Okay. How many years, sir?
It's over 15 years.
Over 15 years. Okay. Good one. Thank you so much, sir, for your advice. He say, now the money be you know. Okay, I beg the customers are not always right. My policy of life is to treat others the way you want to be treated. Respect is mutual. Mommy come and yano. Customers are not always right. Most of them are left. Okay. Are left. Okay, as in right and left. Most of them are always looking less on you because you are rendering services to them. Dre, all the way from Ijegun. Okay. Ratata, good morning. Customers are not always right. There must be decorum in any that we do. Philip from Ikeja. The next call, decorum. Hello, the phone line.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine, are you?
What be your name?
Friday they talk.
Oh, yeah, Friday, fire down.
No, they right to.
Okay.
Some customers they get kwakwa spirit to. Because they shop. They'll come the price to market. Wait till you know even buy yourself.
Yeah.
If you want to follow them, they'll come they shout. They follow you shout.
Wow.
The customers are always there right.
So they are not always right, Abi?
For some of them.
Okay, no wahala.
They right too.
All right, WhatsApp. We'll take this one for the WhatsApp.
Yes, so this was it now from Kingsley from our guy. He said customers are always right. It depends on how the sellers treat their customers and their businesses.
All right, to the phone line, we'll go for hello, to the phone line. Talk to me.
Customers sometimes they're not the right.
Okay, so they are not always right. Why you talk so?
They are not always right. Yes, you get some wey go come your shop like this. They go say how much did they sell this thing? She said them like that if it be 400. They go say whether not be 350. The other shop then they sell at 350. Why your own come high?
Why your call different?
That kind of thing. Then they right.
Okay.
They not right now. If you know, so if they come my shop come talk like that, I go tell them say that place where they buy at 350.
Go that place.
Why not come go there go buy? Sometimes if you price. Especially these fruit people, these women, they get the particular tribe where they do that thing. If you price them, yes, like food now, price them. Maybe that thing they go tell you say na 200. You can't tell they say what of 150? They don't start with their language.
Why don't start?
First person. So that kind of thing, they are not always right though. I beg.
Yes, so on top of WhatsApp, this person say good morning house. Yes, the customer is always right. He or she is the reason you left your house every morning.
Right, the customer is always right.
Why you talk so?
Because you the share market. So when customer come like this, the person go take good mind, attend to the person, even though the person price you less. You take the attitude, you get the attitude to talk to the person kindly. If I say no, it's not like that. Please now add small money. This. Not in harsh way.
Some of them are possessed, so you say some of them possessed, so not be small evil spirit.
Not all the person harsh way. The person may not even come to your shop again.
Some go just come out speed for front of your shop like say, hey God. Some of them may not
what they say, no say now because of them you come market. So you're supposed to treat them well. And tell your market. No mind my own another mind waiting the person talks whether you bet. I even now go to beg and say beg no vet here.
Okay, thank you very much.
Next time the person
will come again.
So some of us supposed to go learn how to do business. Like Mama talk,
I like that. Oh, I like oh God, oh you are insulting. You are insulting. He said the seller supposed to go learn business administration.
Yes.
So now they say you supposed to get business administration skills, customer relationship skills, because you like a money too, so customers must come when devil said come your way. As they pray, say God, as I am going, let me the devil they say you never say anything. They say so. Not forget, say whether you like it or not, you go market almost every day, either as a buyer or as a seller. Somebody say, right, good morning. He said, customers are always right. Austin Najomo, all the way from Texas.
Customers always right.
Why you talk so?
You see, number one, they are the reason why you are there.
Wow.
Two, remember that many people are selling the same thing you are selling.
Hey.
If that customer leave your shop, definitely he will buy it another place.
Okay.
But you have lost that money.
Okay.
Every money that customer bring to your shop is valued for you.
But wait, so you go prefer to get money over maltreatment?
See, that pepper. You see, every seller has to learn how to infuse their customers.
Wow.
Even when they will enter your shop, you use word of enthusiasm to approach that person.
Okay.
You will see that customer, that person will buy with a smile. Even if when you are cheating that customer, if even they tell you thank you, I will come next time. And no customer will enter your shop and start beating you. It's the way you approach that customer will provoke that customer.
You don't see Chris that call your shop before, madam.
I don't say that.
No, you not make Chris mark on your shop.
That's what I see. As it is, I don't treat you now.
Wait, you mean say that they crazy?
You know well like me. Thank you. My love, I see you. I'm going to ask you the wrap up. We want to now see the customer, you get the way you go look at, you go say it's always right, you go say it's not always right. Oh, but you when me the trader, you get what I won't tell you. Now because of the money, now maybe you shade your business, not because of the person. The person when carry the money, if he get wish, if he possess, so if he get bad character, if he be anointed from the pit of hell, but focus on what he carry. That's smart when he carry, so focus on that. If you focus on that one, you no go too mind about what he talk, how he talk, you understand? So this is what they make us understand. Say we won't be and you won't be traders. When they sell, you need to go training. Either you go pray me God train you, or you go train yourself, or somehow. Either you read, or by exposure, or by things like this. Now you are getting education now for what they talk now. Yeah. Every day as you pray, say may God prosper your business. You go say God, teach me how to accommodate any people. How to accommodate, how to just persevere, how to just tolerate any human being. Yeah, because the most important thing is for you to make sales. Because whether you like it or not, devil go send some of these people come your way. Even God said will send a come your way to test you. So if everybody will call you, they say, I bet get that. You know, somebody say, you know, somebody price. Why you talking here? You go, they lose money. Not be just customers. You will be losing money. Not that you be losing customers, you will be losing money. If you lose money, you don't lose customers. If you lose customers, you don't lose money. You understand? So focus on the money when you make it. Try and make that money for your business sake. And that will not be say you want me the buyer now. You will continue with the spirit when you get to no. Go for deliverance. If you get a ban share, you are a buyer. Go. I tell God, say me God carry you go deliverance. Okay. Why you say
Nothing.
Yeah, some of them ask for deliverance.
Why you they say now banje?
Yeah, ask for deliverance. Not say because of say they say okay because is always right you can't go talk to
they fight anyhow because they say now you
what you hear matter not try am go and ask for tell God say God as I am going to buy deliver me from every spirit of ekwakwa just dey pray for deliverance.
never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You dey miss wella. Oya, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chookmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chookmouth.